Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 5, Creating Functions, Part 2. This lesson expands on the previous lesson in which we learned about functions and calls. This time it looks like we're going to do something slightly more complicated. Let's read the instructions and learn and see what we're going to do. Do this. Get some more practice calling a function by using turnaround along with your old friend, the move forward function, to create a plus sign that is centered at the turtle's first position as shown below, right there. Even though you just wrote the function, we've already defined turnaround for you. Remember, add lines of code that call the function above the definition. Note, the turtle should end where it started, which is in the middle of the plus sign as shown below. Each of the 4 segments of the plus sign are 1 move forward long. We have a little example here. This looks like each one of these are move forward along, and we have to end up in the middle here. Looking at my code, I have a function here called turnaround, which is just 2 lefts. So it looks like a boop boop over there. Let's see how we're going to attack this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my call above it. Remember, my call goes above my actual function. Remember, these have a relationship, so they have to be named the same thing, spelled the same way. Turn around with a capital A. When I hit run now, this should just turn left twice. Okay, that worked pretty well there. Now I think I can make this a little more efficient here than just turn left, move forward, stuff like that. So I'm going to take this out for a second. What I'm going to do, let's reset. I'm starting right here. So I'm going to have to move forward, turn left again, and then move forward. This should take me up, bam, bam, turn left, left, down, move over here, and then turn left again. This should reset me to my starting spot. Let's hit reset and run. There we go. Beautiful. I'm thinking now, if I just do a turn left after each of these calls, I could probably get something similar to my plus sign. Let's test my hypothesis here. So I'm going to do a turnaround. I'm going to go back to my functions and my calls here. I'm just going to copy and paste it, Control-C, Control-V. This just saves me a little time in making sure my spelling's right and I'm not getting any errors. Turn around, turn left, turn around. Remember, this call is just looking at the function and doing whatever inside it. Do another turn left, Control-V, there we go. Turn left, Control-V. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots here, and this should end up in the same position. Let's hit reset and run and see what happens. Down, there you go. Turns left, comes back, up, there we go, comes back. We almost ended it the same way. It looks like we need just 1 more turn left in there. Let's speed it up. Reset, run. There we go. It's perfect. Let's just slow it down a little so we can see what's happening here. Beautiful, beautiful. So as you can see, my function is very powerful because I only needed to draw this line of code once. Instead of move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, every single time I want to do one of these. That would expand my lines of code close to about 35 lines there, which is an awful lot to look at. This is a lot cleaner. We're sitting at 16, very easy to see, and I like this. Let's see what code.org thinks though. Let's hit finish and see what they say. Good job, kids. I'll see you on the next puzzle.